What to do with half pulls. So you've had your half a pull in the morning and you had to cut the pull in half, and now what do you do with the other half? Where do you store it? Well, I'm new to the pull story, so maybe you got a better solution, but this is what I suggest we do. This is what I'm doing. So I've made a little sliding thing so that it covers. Say I've got my leftover half pull in there, this just slides over and covers it. So how do we make a little sliding half pull cover? So this is also a pull that gets taken half at a time. So let's make a cover for it. So you need a soda can. In this case I've got a Dr. Pepper soda can, and this pull is about half an inch or 10 mils wide. So I'm going to cut in this Dr. Pepper can a piece of strip like this. And I'm going to, if you look and you can see it's got a thin edge there. So there are the half pulls. I'll show you how I put them in. So I'm just going to bend that over, and that is going to slide along the edge and cover the half pull. So all that I need now to do is to bend something over the other edge. So I'm going to, I've kind of got it marked out in my mind how wide it must be. So we're going to cut it like this, and then we must bend it over. Let's see if that's about the right width, and then that's going to slide over and cover that. So I've got it the right width, and now I'm just going to push it down. I'm going to put the half pulls back in. Can take all that silver foil off, it's not doing any use there. And then we slide this over. So hook that, snare that underneath there. And there we've got our sliding thing to cover the half pulls, can't fall out. And we can keep it together in the box. So there we go. That's how we cover our half pulls.